I'm going to show how to compress a video file using vlcplayer easily. For this I used a sample video file of 10 seconds long, about 30 megabytes in size. In vlcplayer, click on Media on the main menu and select Open Disk. Or use the shortcut key Ctrl+D. This will open up a dialog box for Open Media. Select the first tag file. Then click on Add button to add one or more video files that you want to compress or convert to different formats. Select the file S that you want to convert from the pop-up and click on OK. Now the selected file S have come into the list of files to be converted with full path. At the bottom of the window, you will see a small arrow near the play button. Click on it to get a list of other options beside this button. Click on Convert or use the shortcut key Alt+O to proceed with Convert options. You will see that the selected video file is available in the source file text box. There is also other options available for converting the file, whether you want to display the output while it is being converted. Also, you will have a list of predefined profiles for the conversion. You can also change settings of these profiles and save your own custom profile. Click on Edit icon to change profile parameters. This will allow you to select the target file type for video as well as audio format. Below icons show the features supported and not supported by each of the selected format. You can check out the other tabs for changing advanced settings. Click on Video Codec for changing the video codec. Here you can change the video codec such as MPEG, DivX, etc. You can also change the video resolution and apply video filters. Under audio codec you may change the audio codec such as MPEG audio, MP3, WAV, etc. You may also change audit bitrate, no of channels and audio sample rate. Then, if you also have subtitles section to apply, click on Save to save changes on the profile settings. You have other options such as deleting a profile and creating your own profile for later use. The last step before we can start our conversion process, you have to set the destination path where you want to create the converted file. You can click on Browse and set a different path or give a name to destination file in the same path. Now we are all set for the conversion. Click on Start to do the magic for you. This may take a while depending on the conversion profile you have selected and the file size to be converted. I have made the video faster to shorten the time by 10x. Once the job is completed, the progress bar will become empty and you will no longer see any time on the player. We have the file converted successfully, in the given destination path with the given file name. Now, let's compare the file size difference. The original 30 megabyte video file has compressed to 14 megabytes. Wow, it's less than 50% of original file size without reducing the video resolution and without compromising the video quality. Easy. That's it. Thanks for watching.